Good morning dear students, respected viewers and honorable guardians. Welcome to online class brought to you by Aliajam School and College, Munshirat, Fulgaji, Feni. Dear students, I know all of you are doing great and studying at home, doing online class minutely and do your homework regularly. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country so that you can prevent transmission. Dear students of class 8 to 10, I have a new class for you. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I am Shimarani Bonik, assistant teacher, and I have been working as a teacher of English in Aliajam School and College. Dear students of 8 to 10, this class is made for you. Let's move on to our today's class. Students, can you guess something about the sentences? He is a good boy and he is not a bad boy. Look the difference. Try to guess. Oh yes, you have rightly guessed. Our today's topic's name is changing sentences, and today we will learn affirmative to negative. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to tell about affirmative and negative sentences, solve the problem of that. First, we will learn what is affirmative assertive sentence. Dear students, assertive sentences are divided into two categories. There are two categories of assertive sentences: affirmative assertive sentence and negative assertive sentence. It means assertive sentences can be either affirmative or negative. In an affirmative assertive sentence, we use an affirmative group of words. In an affirmative group of words, we use a positive sense. For example, peacock is a beautiful bird. Now, negative assertive sentence. In a negative assertive sentence, we use a negative group of words. A negative group of words is the opposite of an affirmative group of words. This group gives a negative sense. For example, he doesn't get up in the morning. Now, today's topics: changing sentences, affirmative to negative. Let's see how to solve the problem. Always. Affirmative sentence: I will always remember you. Make it negative. I will never. Dear students, if you find always in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write never instead of always. Then you have to write the opposite word of the verb remember, that means forget, and the rest of the sentence remain as it is. So our sentence will be, I will never forget you. Another sentence, Hena is always present. Make it negative. Hena is never. You know, if we find always in an affirmative sentence, then we will write never instead of always. Then the opposite of the word present, that means absent. So our sentence will be Hena is never absent. Another sentence, you should always speak the truth. Make it negative. You should never. If you find always in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write never and the opposite word of speak, I mean tell. After that, you have to write a tell instead of the truth. So our students carefully look. You should never tell a lie. And the last one, Tanish was always punctual. Make it negative. Tanish was never, you know, if you find always in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write never instead of always, and after that you have to write the opposite word of punctual, that means late. So you will get a sentence like Tanish was never late. Rahul sometimes smokes. Make it negative. Rahul does not always smoke. Dear students, if you find sometimes in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write not always instead of sometimes. So our sentence will be Rahul does not always smoke. Another sentence, the rich are sometimes happy. The rich are not always. If you find sometimes in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write not always. Then happy. Another sentence, Rudra is sometimes wrong. Make it negative. Rudra is not always right. As usual, if you find sometimes in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write not always and the opposite word of wrong, that means right. Then our sentence will be Rudra is not always right. Must. Tuhir must buy a grammar book. Make it negative. Tuhin cannot but. If you find must in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write cannot but. and the rest of the sentence remain as it is. Buy a grammar book, or you can write it in another way, that is Tuhin cannot help. If you write cannot help, then you have to add ing with the verb buy. So our sentence will be Tuhin cannot help buying a grammar book. Another sentence, we must or love our country. Make it negative. We cannot but love our country, or we cannot help loving our country. Another sentence, you must listen to your teacher. Make it negative. You cannot but listen to your teacher. As soon as. If you find as soon as in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write first no sooner had. No sooner had as soon as he arrived, we welcomed him. Make it negative. No sooner had. If you find as soon as in an affirmative sentence, then you have to write first no sooner had. Then he arrived, and you have to write then instead of comma and the rest of the sentence. We welcomed him. Another sentence, as soon as the man saw the tiger, he ran away. Make it negative. First, you have to write no sooner had the man, then the past participle of the verb saw, that means seen the tiger. After that, you have to write then instead of comma, and the last part of the sentence, he ran away. Evaluation. Dear students, tell me what is affirmative sentence. Thank you. Anyone tell me what is negative sentence? Oh yes, you're right. Thanks again. Homework. Dear students, now I am going to give you a homework. Today's homework is change the sentences as directed. I am going to read out the sentences for your better understanding. Number 1, I always support him. Make it negative. Number 2, the rich are sometimes happy. Make it negative. Number 3, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Make it negative. And the last one, number 4, I must go there. Make it negative. Dear students, now we are at the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Wear mask where going out. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Goodbye, good luck, and thank you.